When viewing this film, please keep your company name and your product in mind.
Right now, 43% of cyber attacks are targeting businesses with less than 300 people. Now, I'm not very good at math. I'm great at math. So I know two things. Small and medium-sized businesses like yours not only account for 95% of the companies on Earth, they're also under constant attack. To combat these attacks, you need the best tools available. And that's where I come in. I'm your new Chief Security Officer. I'm here because there are over 1 million new cyber threats every day, and you've already got a full-time job keeping all the tech in your office running. But you say to yourself, at least the criminals are focusing their attention on the big corporations. I know I'm new here, but I'll be frank. You are so incredibly wrong. Every year, 55% of organizations your size are attacked. So if you weren't attacked last year, then statistically, I have some bad news about what's going to happen this year.
Gee, what a mess.
As your new Chief Security Officer, I want to tell you about a few things you can do to improve your security strategy right now. Your company needs to be secure, you need to collaborate, and you need to be mobile.
And it's all because of
Microsoft 365 Business Premium.
To learn more, check out some notes I prepared for you here.